Hi, today we are going to see the category or types of NoSQL. First, we will have a key value database, then we have column oriented database, then we have document database, and then the fourth one is a graph database. These four are the main types of NoSQL. Now we will see the data stored for all these database. For key value database, we have React and Redis. For column oriented database, we have Cassandra and HBase. Cassandra is pretty much popular as compared to HBase, but HBase also used in big data. For document database, we have MongoDB and CouchDB. For graph database, we have Neo4j and Infinite Graph. Graph database is used a lot in Facebook or Insta. If you see the suggestion there, the graph database is used. If you find this video was helpful, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel.